Welcome to the Android development tutorial. So in this video, we are going to create our first Hello World app, and also we are going to create our first emulator so that we can run that app into our emulator. So stay with me. Let's start the learning. So in the last video, we have installed our Android Studio in our machine. So let's open that Android Studio by clicking on the shortcut or wherever you have installed that Android Studio, just open it. So after opening it, it will look something like this. So first we will create our emulator on which we can run or test our Android application. So for that, click on the more options, and in the more options, you guys need to select the virtual device manager. I will click on this one and I will click on here, create device. All right, so it will show me the available devices, and you can select one of these from here, or also if you want to set up your own device, that you can set it done from here, new hardware profile. But for me, like I will use the existing one, and I'm choosing Nexus 6 as of now, because let's keep the thing simple. Later in these tutorials, we will create our new hardware profile and we will run our apps in those. So after selecting the Nexus 6, click on the next one. And after that, it will ask you to download the API level. So download the latest one, whatever you have. So I'm downloading this one, and it will start the download, and I think it will take some time because it is of around 1.4 GB. So let me stop the video. Once the system image of this is downloaded, I will get back to it and we'll resume with the learning. Once it's done, just click on the finish button here and it will show you the downloaded one. So this one is downloaded, then select it and click on the next one. And now you can name your AVD, Android virtual device, whatever you want, but I will keep it as it is, and all the things as it is. Just click on the finish here. Right, so this one is created, the emulator is created, and we can run it by clicking here on the run button. So it will launch our emulator, and you can allow access for this one for the firewall things. Okay, so it's starting and it's taking some time. So for me, all the things is starting perfectly fine here. But if you face some difficulty, like your XM is not installed, or if you face errors like those, then you can go to your BIOS setting, and in BIOS you can enable your virtual technologies, right? Means virtualization you need to enable. Then you can restart your system, and you can resolve that XM error. All right, so before moving creation of our Hello World app, I would like to show you some settings, like the graphics setting. So in the graphics of AVD, you guys need to select this hardware GLS 2.0. So it will use your dedicated graphics card settings, and click on the finish here, and you can restart this emulator. I already did it, and let's create a new project here. So by just click on the new project, and from the new project, it will give you a bunch of activities. So as of now, just select the empty activity, and we will discuss all these activities later in the tutorial. But don't worry, as of now, just click on the empty activity and click next. And here you can give the application name. So for this, I am giving Hello World app, and my work location is this one. You can change it as per your needs. So let me do it in the D drive, and you can select the language here. So I will code it in the Java, so I'm choosing Java, and minimum SDK version is this one, right? And just click on the finish one. So after clicking on the finish, the Android Studio will prepare your workspace and the project. And we are doing it for the first time, so it will download internal plugins and it will do a lot more of this stuff. So be patient for the first times. So for the first time also it will download the Cradle. Cradle is like a build system which Android application use internally to build the application. And as you, if you are from the Java background, you must have aware of the Maven, Gradle or the Ant build plugins, right? So we'll wait till the Gradle build finish, and because it is doing the first time, so first time it will take a time, okay? So once all the downloading and building of this is finished, it will look like this. I will maximize it and it is giving me what's new in this version of the IntelliJ. So I will minimize this one. And for now, just we have to run this Hello World app on our emulator. So for that, just select the emulator from here and click on the run app one. So now again the Gradle build will run and it will deploy this app to our emulator which we have created earlier, and it will execute on that emulator. So let's wait for that and we will see our Hello World app running in the emulator. So here in the emulator you can see that Hello World application is launched, right? So for this video, this is it, means the launching the Hello World application and configuring the emulator. So this is the main agenda which we have covered in this video. Next we will discuss what is this architecture or the project structure here, and we will discuss the Android Studio and autonomy, and we will discuss more about this in the next video. So if you like these tutorials, then please like our channel and support by subscribing us. So thank you, see you in the next video.